Hello, and welcome to TPM's 3-Minute Thursday. I've taken several support calls recently to help users troubleshoot crashing assemblies. Turns out a corrupt part model was the cause of the crash. Now we all know documents get corrupt on occasion. This is software after all. Problem is, it's not always evident which part or assembly is corrupt or the root of the problem. There's actually a simple little tool that can be used to track down corrupt models in an assembly. Let's take a look at it. What we can do to weed out the ill-behaving model is start with the File Open dialog. Do not open the model. Instead, select the crashing assembly and set the configuration selection to Advanced. Then open the model. A dialog will come up allowing us to create a new configuration that only shows the assembly structure. The feature tree will display everything suppressed. Once here, what you'll want to do is unsuppress each component from the top down one by one. Now let's speed this up a little since I know the last component is actually the culprit. Once I unsuppress this last subassembly, we'll see the crash occur. Now we know which component in this large assembly is actually causing the crash. Since this component was a subassembly, I'll want to repeat the same steps to see which part or subassembly in this one is actually the culprit. And you just repeat this until you get down to the last part. As a side note, when you see the SOLIDWORKS error report, give a brief description of what you were doing right before the crash. Even just a little bit of info will help the development team understand what caused this crash. And this has been TPM's 3-Minute Thursday. We hope to see you next time.